During lunch break, Mr. Santiago, a teacher, saw a male student forcibly grabbing a rice pot from a female classmate. The girl was crying and tightly holding her lunchbox. To stop the scuffle, Mr. Santiago used a broomstick to separate them and tapped the boy's legs. He also pushed another student who got in the way, causing the child to fall and suffer minor injuries. The students filed a complaint for child abuse under RA 7610. Should Mr. Santiago be held guilty? No, Mr. Santiago should not be held guilty. In Javarez versus People, the Supreme Court ruled that child abuse under RA 7610 requires a specific intent to debase, degrade, or demean a child's intrinsic worth. Here, Mr. Santiago's actions were taken solely to stop a scuffle and restore order, without any intent to humiliate or harm. Thus, he cannot be held liable for child abuse under the law.